Honorable Chair on the dais, members, and I think the boring audience which I got it, so I will not take much time, but I will be starting with two things before I start my presentation. Comtech as a local entrepreneur has done two urban initiatives. One was with the assistance of NIC, we were able to digitize birth and death records of Srinagar Municipal Corporation in a record time of 45 days, wherein around 10 lakh records were digitized, and still we are doing online and offline process for Srinagar Municipal Corporation. The second most initiative was first time J&K when municipal elections were held, so municipal electoral rolls were digitized for the entire state, and we were the main key players. About my company Comtech, it's a private limited company having offices in all 22 districts of Jammu and Kashmir and presence in all the three regions, because we have three in Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Comtech was the first UID impanel agency in the state, and it's the impanel agency with state IT department. The company being local but have expanded to Bihar, UP and Haryana. Our clients and projects that we have successfully completed mostly belong to J&K. Election department, again two projects. One was digitization printing of electoral rolls. When first time records were being digitized, we were the one who did it. Panchayat and municipal electoral rolls. For the first time, elector's photo identity card was introduced in J&K state, and we have printed around 9 lakh identity cards. Srinagar Municipal Corporation, we already briefed, digitization of birth and death and continuous updation of records. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, two pilot districts were taken, Jammu and Srinagar, and we issued around 50,000 smart cards to BPL families, which can get health cover up to 30,000 rupees. Anybody who use that cards can get health cover up to 30,000. Aadhaar project in J&K was launched. In collaboration with J&K Bank, we did a pilot in Srinagar, and 10,000 Aadhaar cards were pushed, and Honorable Chief Minister was the first enrollee in our status. Socio-economic cost census, one of the largest IT projects in J&K state, wherein around 1 crore records were taken through a survey using PC tablet. Around 4,000 operators were deployed in all villages of the state, and the data was completed in 90 days timers. That too in a cool winter. The project started somewhere late in December and it ended up somewhere in Feb end. We are also main power supplier to some of the best companies in the country. Karvi Data Management System, a Hyderabad-based company. Rosma Technologies, a Delhi-based company, wherein we did digitization of National Population Register. Around again 81 lakhs were digitized in a period of 180 days. We did also in collaboration with Jackie Jazz, ration cards, again 3 districts in Kashmir, 3 in Jammu and 1 in Ladakh division. Currently we are doing Aadhaar in Jammu and Kashmir, wherein we have been allotted by RJ 15 districts, 7 in Jammu and 10 in Jammu and 5 in Kashmir. As on date, around 2 districts have been rolled out in Jammu, Samba and Doda, and in Kashmir, Kulgam and Shopian, wherein as on date we have did around 1 lakh Aadhaars have been generated. These are some of the gadgets that we will be using in Aadhaar. This is fingerprint scanner. This is optical carry bag that used to be carry these items. Then iris. This is the way we receive an UID application. Then fingerprint and capture of irises. This is at the end of the day. At the end of enrollment, she gets an acknowledgement certificate. This is the governance structure that we have with us. We have a project management team at Srinagar and Jammu, then district units across the districts, and then zonal heads Jammu, Srinagar, and Ladakh. This is the approach and methodology that we adopt while executing the projects. That's project activities, This is the main power count we have as on date. We have almost 22 district coordinators across around 88 tehsil coordinators and 250 block coordinators for carrying various IT activities. This is something very important. We being a small company, we are able to create this much of jobs. So in e-rolls, we are able to create 20 jobs, birth around 12, RSBI 32, Aadhaar around 1,000. Socio-economic cautions were able to create 4,000 jobs. Then small main power institutes, CDEC, others, and some local companies, 30 years. Main power to local companies, Karvi and Rosemata, around 500, and digitization of ration cards, 500. So 5794, but these were all temporary jobs, sir. Could have been sustained if the projects could have been there. So this is just last 1 year bracket where we were able to create 5794 jobs, sir. These are some of the shots. We, being the largest IT company, got an award from His Excellency the Governor, Chief Minister at one of our BME camps, Honorable Union Minister when we inaugurated the DODA. The first enrolled in DODA was this Minister Vani sir. Thank you, sir.